Unraveling the phrase, data range. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, data range. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in different contexts. Data. This is a term that you might have heard often. In simple terms, data can be facts, statistics, or pieces of information that are collected for analysis or reference. Range. When we talk about a range, we usually refer to the extent or scope of something, the distance between limits, or the difference between the smallest and largest values. When combined, data range usually refers to a set or series of data points that fall between two specific values. For instance, if you are looking at the temperatures of a city for a week and the lowest is 15 degrees Celsius and the highest is 25 degrees Celsius, then that 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius interval is your data range. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. The data range for our study is from 1990 to 2000. 2. Can you determine the data range from that spreadsheet? 3. The data range indicates that most students scored between 70 and 90 on the test. These examples showcase how data range is used to denote a specific set of data points between two limits. A common mistake people make is thinking that data range refers to the total number of data points. It's not about the quantity, but rather about the limits or the scope of the data. There you have it. Now you know what the term data range means and how to use it effectively. Remember, it's all about the span of data between 2 points. We hope this video shed some light on the topic and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Keep learning and see you soon.